Hi and welcome. So this is my Rocket Giotto. This is my new coffee machine. I'm really happy with it, but there's one thing I want to fix about it. I want to put wooden handles on them. They're super expensive. You can get them as kits where you get a handle and a lever and the knobs, but the knobs I think is the hardest part, and we're gonna tackle that today. So we'll put super nice wooden handles on it, or knobs on it. So you basically take your credit card, or preferably a Fitness World membership. They work way better, and you wiggle it underneath the cap, and it comes off. And you can see the O-ring here. That's what holds it in place, keeps it from falling out. And behind that, there's a nut that you can undo. You just have to hold against the wheel, and you can undo it, and off comes everything. It's a 7x7mm square bar that comes out, and it's a 7mm hole, so it doesn't fit perfectly, but if you push just a little bit on it, it'll stick. Once it's on there, you can pop the nut back on. And then you can use the nut to bring it in. So it's basically just press fitting that square bar into the handle. See, it works well. There's no flop in there. Make sure it's all the way closed. You can put it back on your arm like this. Right, so this is what it looks like with the new handles on them. It works perfectly. They can tighten quite a bit without slipping on the square bar, which I don't think it'll be a problem ever. If you are not happy with the alignment, you can rotate this knob inside and it'll align fine.